Have you been asked a lot from Jesus, or have you only been asked a little? Because that's going to tell you where your faith is going to grow. I have written and talked about the spiritual warfare that I faced as a Christian author and speaker. And every time that I do some new project or new book, releasing my podcast, any new venture, I get attacked. And I have had to tell my family, what's happening to us is spiritual warfare. It's because I'm moving out into front lines of God's army to fight in this spiritual battle. And so I'm being attacked for that. And so anytime a new project comes up, I have to count the costs, and I have to say, if I'm going to do this, I know that weird things are going to happen, difficult things are going to happen, hard things are going to happen, but I'm willing to do it because Jesus is my Lord.